24 awesome DIY project ideas to customize your backyard. Get a similar look as you would from a neon sign by using a rope light to make your own illuminated signage. It's one of the perfect outdoor lighting solutions for shining some extra light when you want to enjoy the evening on your patio with friends and family. If you have a tiny balcony, here's an ideal DIY project that fits the bill. Give yourself a stylish place to set your drink with this teeny timber side table. Give yourself some extra space to lay down food trays while you are grilling on the barbecue. Roll this DIY cart next to the barbecue grill, then roll it over to the patio table so you don't need to carry all that food. If you're looking to create more of an outdoor kitchen, try your hand at a DIY barbecue island. If you love leather, grab a seat. Upgrade your deck with a leather sling chair. Achieve the look by reupholstering an old fabric sling beach chair that's seen better days with a piece of leather. The leather from this chair was rescued from an older leather sofa. Bring the chair indoors in colder seasons. With outdoor living, anything goes when it comes to patio seating. Keep your kids entertained for hours with a backyard tree swing, or indulge in your childhood nostalgia with this classic DIY project. Even if your kids already have a playground set, a little solo swinging in another part of the yard or garden can help a child unwind. Outdoor spray paint covers a multitude of rusty sins. Grab a can or two and fix up your stained or lightly rusted metal patio chairs with a fresh coat of paint. Today's paint formulations fight off rust, and juicy, vivid colors make your chairs look brand new. You can achieve the same magic using appropriate paint on plastic outdoor furniture, too. Though it looks expensive, this contemporary outdoor wooden bench costs a handful of dollars to make. This pine bench, made without screws and only with adhesive, is stained with a dark color to make it look even richer and more inviting. For an eye-catching, playful, and decorative finish to your yard, build a section of fence or a gate with marbles built into the wood. The sun bounces off the marbles while light shines through marbles of various sizes and colors. All it takes is drilling holes to match the sizes of the marbles, then pounding them snugly into the wood using a rubber mallet. Fences make the perfect canvas for a whimsical project. Give an old or unfinished Ikea wood bench a makeover with outdoor paint. This bench appears to have legs that were dipped in paint, but the look was achieved using tape to keep the lower half of each leg its natural color. This outdoor succulent wall adds extra greenery to an empty space in your backyard without taking up much room. Stain some wood rails and hang shiny pots filled with unusual succulents. Young children will surely adore having a playhouse where they can pretend to have a house of their very own in the backyard. Add a wreath and window box for the real deal. The key is working with simple tongue and groove planks to create the frame. Light up your pool and patio with soft flickering candles that are safely protected from the wind pushing them over or blowing them out. A constructed concrete base sturdily holds the candle in place, while the glass prevents the candle from blowing out. Make them tabletop size or tall for the floor. Roast marshmallows in your backyard over your DIY concrete fire pit. This project requires a large bowl and quickly setting concrete mix. Outdoor fire pits are one of the easiest DIY projects thanks to proven creative ideas. The stunning result helps to keep you warm on cooler summer nights. Tired of tripping over your outdoor carpet? Make one that lays flat by painting directly onto a part of your concrete patio. Bold paint transforms your patio. Prep and prime for a lasting design. Use a stencil or create your own using painter's tape. Do you love to cook outdoors on the barbecue? Chances are you'd love more counter space next to your grill to help you prep the food. This sturdy grill counter lets you grill with ease. If you have a heavy grill, like this Kamado model, you'll want this super durable table plan with extra support on the bottom. Update your plain or solid color patio umbrella with a spattering of latex paint. All it takes is a simple pattern to bring that wow factor into your backyard. This pattern is a simple brush pattern using horizontal strokes with unfinished edges that give it an artsy feel. Up for a DIY challenge? Make your own sectional for a fraction of the cost it would be for a new set. The cushions here come from Pottery Barn, but you can make your own as thick and comfy as you'd like. Enjoy relaxing beneath the shade of two small trees with this creative bench idea. A recycled wood pallet slipped between the trees makes this bench and creates extra seating for your yard. Temporarily add the look of wallpaper to an exterior wall of your home or fence. Add this leaf stencil using a free stencil template, and color in the stencil design with chalk to add a bold pattern to your backyard. The wall design will naturally wash away on its own over the season. Relax underneath the trees in your backyard with a DIY hammock made with a simple canvas drop cloth and rope. Grab an outdoor pillow and throw to make it cozier. Safely grab your circular saw and make an outdoor serving station. If you're tight on space, this serving station attaches to the wall and takes up little space, but handles loads of drinks and snacks. The best part? It closes when it's not in use. Build a set of 2 designer-inspired outdoor benches to add seating to either side of your patio table. Or, create an L-shaped seating arrangement in the corner of your deck or patio. Replace any worn plastic patio chairs with these sturdy and affordable wood benches. Prevent your patio umbrella from falling over by crafting an umbrella stand out of a large plant pot that's sturdy enough to keep your umbrella standing upright. A concrete planter, concrete, a bit of PVC piping, and heavy rocks all pulled together to do the trick. Fix your stained or bland patio tiles with paint and a plan in mind. This graphic design was planned with lots of painter's tape and patience, but the result looks like a painted outdoor rug. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.